All right, 4 packs left. Can we pull it off? I think we can. Oof. No bueno, but that is the pull for the box. Definitely not a Lugia, but we'll take it.